Hello, little kids and everyone. How are you all? Are you ready to learn about Tux Paint? If yes, then please see the video. In this video, we are going to share with you some basics of Tux Paint, its interface, and some other basics. Let's see the video. First of all, I would like to tell you about Tux Paint. It is a fun and easy software drawing and painting program, especially made for kids like you. It has simple and easy to use interface. It has some inbuilt sound, funny sounds for you to make it interactive. So friends, now I am showing you how to open Tux Paint. In the search bar of our computer system, in our Windows, we will type here Tux Paint, Tux Paint, Tux Paint, and we'll open the full screen. It will open with this musical sound, and this is the first screen which will be opened every time when we open the Tux Paint. With white background, inbuilt background, we can change it if we want. First of all, I want to tell you about the window interface of this Tux Paint window. If we see on the left side, this one tool, this is the toolbar where I am hovering my mouse. This is the toolbar, and there are different tools like paint, stamp, lines, shape. Tools are available. Many tools are there. Fine. If we click on any one of the tool, like I have selected paint, now I am coming to the right side of the window. This is the selector bar. Whenever I will select any tool, the selector bar gets changed. For example, right now it is showing brushes because I have selected paint. For paint we use brush. We have different brushes here. We can scroll up and down by using these arrows. Fine. There are different brushes available. We can use any one of them in our drawings. Coming to the next, if we click on stamp from here, in the tools bar on the left side, see, this is the stamp. If we click on stamp, the stamps will be changed. The right side selector will be changed. So as per the tool selected from the left side, our right side selector bar will be changed according to that. Like in lines it is different, in shapes it will be different. If you will see, in shapes it is different, and whenever I have clicked on lines, it was different. When I clicked on stamp, it was different. On different tools, there are different selector bar, different brushes, different options available, which we can use in our drawing. Now coming to the bottom part. This is the color options we have. As just like in MS Paint, we can use any color in our drawing to fill it, to draw, to do anything. And in the extreme bottom, this is the cartoon mascot. It will help you at different parts to draw. It will show instruction for every tool, for every selector. Whatever you will choose in Tux Paint, it will show a different instruction. For example, now I have selected lines. I am on lines. Show it is showing. Click to start drawing a line. Let go to complete it. Similarly, if I click on fill, it will show. This is the help area. We can say this cartoon mascot will help by giving some instructions to us about that too. Coming to the center part of the screen, this is the drawing area. This complete, where we can do any drawing. We can color. This is, we can also see the canvas. This was about the basic part of Tux Paint window. Basic part which we can use in every drawing. Fine. This was all about the Tux Paint window. Now I am going to tell you how to create a new file. To create a new file, we will go in tools option. There is an option new. We will click on new. See, there are different options available. We can choose any one of them. For example, with the white background, with yellow background, with any other background, purple, blue. It is your choice. You can choose any of your choice. Fine. If you want to do the coloring, you can select any one of them. Right now I am choosing any light colored background. For example, this one. This is just for an example. You can click on any one of your choice. See, now my background is of yellow color now. This was how to create a new file in Tux Paint. Coming to another option, another tool. Now, if I already have created some drawings in Tux Paint, then how to open them? To open a previously created drawing, I will click on this open button. See, there is an open button. You can click. I am hovering my mouse over there. Click on open. My previous made drawings have come here. For example, I want to click on anyone. I can choose anyone. I am clicking on this. You can either double click, it will open by double clicking also, or if you have clicked single one, then click single and click on open, it will be opened. This is how we can open any file in TuxPaint which has been already made by us and it has been stored in TuxPaint. Now, if I want to create a new drawing, for example, I just have chosen the new drawing. This one I'm just white. Now, if I create anything, for example, I have created one shape only, circle, filled circle. Fine. You can choose any other color. This circle I want to save it. Then how to save? So in this saving procedure, I am going to tell you about the save tool in the Tux Paint. How to save the drawing in Tux Paint. To save, click on save. It will ask. It has been saved by this sound. But if I have to do some changes in it, for example, I want to draw its line like this to draw a sun. Fine. It means now I have done some changes in my drawing. Now I will save it. Now if I have clicked on save button, it is asking with a message that you want to replace the old one. There are two options, or you want to save a new file. It is my choice, whatever I want to do. If I want to replace the old one, then I click on yes. If I want to know that I want the previous file also be saved and it should be on the next one, then I'll click on no, save a new file. Right now I am selecting yes, replace the old one. So my previous picture will be replaced with the new one. Now again, if I want to open my saved picture, go on open and see my picture is there, which is the last picture I have drawn. Double click on it, it will get open. This is how we can save our drawing. Next tool is basic tool is print. If print is attached, you can click on print. You can print. See, it is asking, do you want to print it now? Yes. If no, then no. I don't have printer right now, so I am clicking on no. Fine. This is how you can use print option in Tux Paint. If I want, next option is quit. These are the below tools I am explaining. Quit. How to quit the drawing. If I will click on quit, it will ask two options. Yes, I am done. It will showing me two options. Yes, I am done. And next one is no, take me back. If I want to continue, then I can click on no, take me back. If I have done with it, then I click on yes, I am done. Right now I have not done. So I am clicking on no, take me back because I want to do more work on MS Paint. So this way. Coming to more options. But first I want to do some change so that I can show you these undo and redo. I want to write something. SUN. Right? I have written this by double clicking on it. Press enter. Right? Now, if I want to do some change, there are two buttons, undo and redo. Undo the last section performed. Undo is to undo the last section performed. Whatever I have done, it will be undone. For example, I am clicking undo. My sun which I have written, it has gone. If I then think that redo should be there, I want that previous work should be there. I have deleted it by mistake, so I click on redo. My sun has come again. Undo and redo are the same functions which we use in other program, and they have the same shortcuts Ctrl plus Z and Ctrl plus Y here. Next option is erase. Erase. If I want to erase my drawing, I click on eraser and see on click on eraser, my selector bar has been changed. There are so many erasers. Square shaped, a small square of different size. This is the different size. It is round, it is something blurry. So we can use any of our choice. For example, I'm using this and it will erase. So how it is sounding? This is how we can use eraser tool. Erasers get changed as per our choice. We can use square eraser, we can use circle eraser, round shape or any other whatever we have in our mind.